In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually make money from YouTube from day one. This video is going to be based on my experience, so I'm going to reveal everything that I'm doing and everything that I did to monetize my channel. Although it's not the biggest channel on earth, I can tell you that I started making money with YouTube really fast by following these steps. Hey, hello, my name is Jan Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you, based on my experience, how you can start making money on YouTube from day one. So let me share my screen because I don't want you guys to miss any detail of what I'm going to be talking about. So the topic in a nutshell, and the reason maybe why you're here, it's because you want to start making money on YouTube. Maybe you are considering building a YouTube channel. Maybe you already have a YouTube channel, but you don't have the followers that you need or the watch time that you need in order to earn money with the AdSense platform, which is basically when you watch some ads on YouTube and they share the revenue with the creators, but you're interested on other ways to earn money because from YouTube you can build literally a business. So it's not just about Google AdSense. So first of all, you will need to focus on one channel. This channel needs to be on one topic or one niche. The reason why I'm telling you this is because I know a lot of people who have multiple channels, and this is the reason why they are not consistent. Okay, by uploading content, which is actually really important because you cannot be trying to monetize YouTube and then you're like, okay, I'm going to be uploading one video today and maybe in a year or so, I'm going to be uploading another video. This is not how it actually works. But literally, there are millions of people who are looking for information on YouTube, how-to videos, entertainment, multiple topics. Okay, maybe you're in the video games. Maybe that's something that you're passionate about. That's why you find a lot of videos about, video games. Maybe you know how to do something and you want to teach people how they can do that as well. You know, that's a route. But remember, it needs to be one topic or one niche. So this is actually my example. I'm here in the Make Money Online, but I talk about digital products, affiliate marketing, side hustle, passive income. Okay. Why? Because my channel, it's about making money online. So it's not that tomorrow you're going to be watching a video about how to lose weight and then you're going to be watching a video about video games. Those are not related to my topic or my niche. Okay. So take that into consideration. And one important factor is that you don't need to be an expert, but you need to be passionate about what your channel is going to be all about. Because chances are that you're going to be doing research. Okay. So I don't want you guys to be like bored, like, hey, this is not something that I like or I enjoy. I rather prefer doing something else because when you're passionate about your topic, trust me, life it's way more enjoyable and literally you can earn money with this. So with that said, you need to have what we call a freebie or a lead magnet because we will need to build our list. Or in this case, we will need to build our email list. Okay, so literally you're going to be giving something away for free in exchange of people name and email address. Okay, that's what we want. We just want their name and their email address. Because yes, I know that there is a lot of people who are watching these videos, but if I release 100% on YouTube or any other social media platform, if they forget about me, because maybe they do not subscribe or they are on another platform, they do not follow me, there is no way we can actually monetize it. That's why there is a lot of people out there with a huge following, but they are not earning any money or they are not earning the money they deserve. Okay, because we need to give something away for free. Okay, that's what we call a lead magnet. And with the email list, this is what people usually say, and it is actually true. The money is in the list. You can have a small email list and you can be earning money consistently. Okay. So, Diana, can you give me some example of freebies? Don't worry, I have you covered. Okay, these are some example, 7 simple freebies you can actually create. It can be a checklist, it can be a cheat sheet, it can be an ebook, templates, mini courses, webinar, and a resource list. Okay, remember, we go back to the same that I mentioned before. If you're passionate about it, even though you are not an expert, nowadays, thanks to the AI, you can go to your favorite AI, you name it, Cloud, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, you name it. And you can tell them like, hey, I want you to help me create a freebie or a lead magnet about this topic. Can you create a simple checklist? Okay. Chances are that you're going to be doing some research about the topic, so you know it's you want to add more information to what the AI gives to you. Maybe you want to add your own spin on it, okay? Because you are actually learning about the topic as well. Remember that you don't need to be an expert. There are a lot of people out there who know way less from the topic than you, and that's the reason why they aren't doing the research. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So, what else do we actually need? What else is actually important, Diana? Okay, you need a digital product to monetize from day one. Diana, why do you put an emphasis on digital product? Okay, yes, I know that you can recommend physical products, but remember there is actually shipping and handling. Okay, there are other charges involved if you go with a physical product. If you go with the route of a digital product, you don't have to worry about that. So that means that you can actually earn way more money and people are going to get the product right away. Okay, so they don't have to be waiting. They're going to get that product right away. You can create your own product or you can go and recommend other people products. Okay, like where you can find those products. For example, you can go to ClickBank and you can actually join as an affiliate by going here, and then you are going to click here where it says affiliates start here. They're going to be asking you for your name, email address, and other information. You can also go to JVSU and you can actually uh, create your account where it says start earning in hours, create a free account. Okay, you can also go to impact.com and you here you're going to be what they call a publisher. The publisher is the same as an affiliate marketer. But let me show you that there are popular um, companies that I'm pretty sure that you already know, but you don't know that they do have an affiliate program. Okay. So some examples are Nike. I know that I already told you that we are not going to be focused on physical products, but they do have an affiliate program. As you can see here, they do have an affiliate program. And also you can go, for example, to booking.com. Okay. Here on Booking, they do have an affiliate program as well that you can actually join. So these are actually really popular companies that you can join and they do have an affiliate program. Okay. Literally, you can go to Google, type the name of the company or the niche plus affiliate program, and Google is going to display you a list of companies. But remember, I will rather go with digital products than with physical products. Okay. So don't worry about the followers. What you need is actually views. Okay. Don't worry about the followers. What you need is actually views. This is again based on my experience. When this channel was super small, and I know that right now it's actually, I consider it really small. When I have less than 5,000 subscribers, I was already earning over $5,000 per month, which actually was something that was blowing my mind because my channel was super small, but I was getting views. And the views that you get on YouTube, they are super target. So that means that they're looking for information rather that if you have a video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reel, that's interruption marketing. So that means that they were not looking for information per se, But here they're actually looking for a solution. They're looking for product reviews. Okay, they're looking for people who might have experience with certain product. So take that into consideration. And also, I know that sometimes at the beginning we're like, but I only have like 100 views on this video, but these are targeted views. So people are going to be making a buying decision based on the information that you're actually sharing here on the video. So if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Check the link in the description. And I can tell you guys that there are several ways in which you can actually earn money with your YouTube channel, but this is the one that can help you results literally from day one, because you're gonna have a way to monetize from day one. With time, you're gonna have Google AdSense. With time, you're gonna have, or you might have some sponsors on their channel as well. But you need to get started, okay? And you need to be consistent with the implementation. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.